Hello dear students, we were discussing about verbs. After the basic knowledge of verbs, I gave you this exercise yesterday and these are the answers. I'll be sending you this today. Now let's talk about the kinds of verbs. Kinds of verbs. First of all, there are many kinds of verbs on the basis of different things. So we can categorize verbs into different categories. So first of all, we are talking about the verb on the basis of role played, means what role the verb plays in a sentence. So according to that, role plays means a verb can play the main role in the sentence or supporting role, helping role. So accordingly we call them main verbs and helping verbs. Helping verbs are also called auxiliaries. So when in a sentence the verb plays the main role, it is main verb, and if it helps the main verb, then it is helping verbs, or it is also called auxiliary. Now main verbs. So main verbs mostly indicate action, position, or the fact of subject without the help of auxiliaries. Remember, main verb does not need the help of auxiliaries to complete its sense. Mostly you already know action words. Action words are mostly main verbs, but sometimes the auxiliaries can also be a main verb when it is playing the main role. Look at the example. The farmers sell their surplus produce in the market. Here farmers sell. Sell is main verb, action word. Few film stars are good actors. Here are is also a main verb here because there is no other verb in this sentence. So it is playing the main role. It is only verb in the sentence, so it is used as main verb. Mainly we call is, are, was, were are helping verbs, but it is not so. They are used as helping or main verb. Okay, even is, are, was, were can also be main verbs when they are used as main verbs. So in the same manner you can see other examples. The second is helping verb. Now helping verb, as the name tells, it helps the main verb in the sentence. It can be a single verb. Okay, whenever there is helping verb, there must be a main verb with it. It only helps the main verb. Example, I do not like chocolates. Here do is the helping verb or auxiliary, where like is the main verb. The ship was heading towards the seaport. Here was again is the helping verb with main verb heading. Okay, so a helping verb is was and heading is main verb. The child is playing is helping verb, playing main verb. So similarly there are other examples. Here a few things you should remember, that main verbs change according to the subject and the tense. Means with single subject we use different, with plural subject we use different verb, in present tense we use different, in past and future we use different. Means they change with the subjects type. Here these are when we talk about the helping verbs. Here do, was, can, am, will, have been, would, these are helping verbs which are helping the verbs. Okay, I hope now you understood this main verb and helping verb. Now there are two activities for you to do. Okay, in the first activity A, simply you have to identify the main verb and auxiliaries in these sentences. You can simply underline and encircle or underline with two different colors. Okay, what is the main verb, what is the helping verb. And in the second exercise you have to fill in the blanks. Here in the bracket 2 options are given, you have to choose one option simply which is the correct one. Okay, not difficult, you have to choose from these 2 options given. So you will do it today. I'll give you the answers tomorrow. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.